see that our candidates now also have their noise cancelling headphones on. With that, let's call in our first finalist to the front, candidate number 11. And while candidate number 11 takes the center stage in the spotlight, let's double check those noise cancelling headsets to the remaining ladies in the back. Can you please wave at me? Can you do a shimmy a day to keep the sadness away?
Candidate number 3, please step forward.
Candidate number 7, raise your hand. I think it's working. Unless they can hear me and are just playing it smart and not saying anything at all.
Yes, you ready?
To be honest, yes, I am ready, but at the same time, I feel anxious and grateful tonight because I started my training since January up until this June. This is all made possible by the help of my handlers, coaches, my fellow barangays, and also God. Because of him, I am here standing in front of you with a lady who has a purpose and knowledge to share with. And I hope all the sacrifices, sleepless nights, and efforts will be paid off as I clinch a crown of Miss Lamitan 2025.
That is not her final answer yet, ladies and gentlemen. Let's give her a shot at our final question first. I will give you my microphone partner. Take it away.
Okay, so candidate number 11, I will read the question twice and you'll be given again 1 minute to answer. All the best. After 1 minute, your microphone will automatically be muted. Okay, that signals that your time is up. Your question. Imagine you are speaking to the world. What is one truth about Lamitan that you would want them to know? Once again, imagine you are speaking to the world. What is one truth about Lamitan that you want them to know?
As I've gotten older, I realized that Lamitan City is the fastest growing and progressive city in the heart of Basilan. One memorable experience that captured the heart of Lamitan was when I joined a medical mission in Barangay Batu. The families, many of whom had so little, welcomed us not just with foods or smiles, but with genuine trust and gratitude. They treated us not as a volunteers, but as a family. That moment reminded me that here in Lamitan, hospitality is not an act, it is a way of life. And we, the people of Lamitan, have gathered all the qualities to represent it not just globally, but internationally. Because as Miss Lamitan 2025, I envisioned my reign not as a title, but as a platform for impact. And I believe in the...
Thank you so much, candidate number 11. You may now take a
Wow, beautifully said indeed, candidate number 11. Let us now call on our second finalist, candidate number 5. Hello there, candidate number 5. You're looking as beautiful as ever. Can you tell us what song was playing in the headset back there? Ah, okay. So I hope that you weren't able to hear the answer and the question of the candidate before you. And I hope you're ready for this final round. I will repeat the question to you twice. And your final question is, imagine you are speaking to the world. What is one truth about Lamitan you would want them to know? Again, imagine you are speaking to the world. What is one truth about Lamitan that you would want them to know?
Thank you for the wonderful question. As Miss Lamitan, I would mentorship program focusing on education, skill development, and entrepreneurship for women and youth. By sharing inspiring stories of local female leaders and artisans, I hope to encourage others to pursue their dreams and contribute to our community progress. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Our second finalist of tonight, candidate number 5. Even I'll also take a very well-deserved breather in the back.
So now 3 more to go. We continue with candidate number 7.
Hello there, candidate number 7. I think we need to make way for her beautiful, beautiful evening gown. There you have it. Welcome to the front. I will give my microphone to you, and my partner will give you your final question.
We're so happy to have you here in the top 5. This is your question. We'll be reading it twice. Only 1 minute. All the best. Imagine you are speaking to the world. What is one truth about Lamitan you want them to know? Once again, imagine you are speaking to the world. What is one truth about Lamitan you would want them to know?
Good evening, Lamitanios and Lamitanias. If given a chance to speak to the world, I would like to stress 3 key points to the world that instill about Lamitan City, which are our culture, our stories, and our people. Lamitan has a vibrant culture that, if deeply acknowledged, can tell how we live life in the present, but still rooted in the norms of our past. Our Danon fabric highlight not only the creativity of our people, but also showcase a part of our culture. Secondly, our stories. Our stories define how Lamiteños Brazilians are. From what we encountered painfully in the past, it shows how thriving we are today. And lastly, our people. Our people is to prove how we live harmoniously.
That 1 minute flies by faster than you think. Yes, friendly reminder again also to our audience, our candidates only have 1 minute to finish their answer. That was candidate number 7. Let us now call to the front candidate number 3. Hello there, candidate number 3. You look beautiful and regal as ever. I hope that time has prepared you for your final Q&A. I have your question in my hand and I'll be reading it to you twice. And your question is, imagine you are speaking to the world. What is one truth about Lamitan that you would want them to know? Again, imagine you are speaking to the world. What is one truth about Lamitan that you would want them to know?
Thank you. As a young Lamiteña, I believe that the heart of Lamitan lies in its people. As a young Lamiteña, I believe that the heart of Lamitan lies in its people, whether it's through tourism, good governance, or arts. But what truly matters is that every effort uplifts lives and value our culture. Because progress isn't about forgetting our roots. It's about creating opportunities not only for today, but for the future generation.
Thank you very much, candidate number 3. It really is no easy feat standing here in front of everyone answering the final Q&A. So once again, to our dear audience, let us please refrain from making unnecessary noise as our candidates, our finalists, are here in front, giving it their all and giving it their best. Once again, that was candidate number 3.
And we're down to the final top 5 candidate. We have candidate number 12.
Last but never the least, let's welcome her to
best girl. Here's your final question. Once again, you'll be given only 1 minute, okay? So the final question is, imagine you are speaking to the world. What is one truth about Lamitan you would want them to know? Once again, imagine you are speaking to the world. What is one truth about Lamitan you would want them to know?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, judges. Lamitan is a rare gem where culture and religion live, not just side by side, but heart to heart. Our rich Yakan heritage, peaceful community, and colorful traditions make us a city where diversity, unity, and resilience foster. That would be all. Thank you.
What a way to conclude our final Q&A. Once again, isang malakas na palakpakan po muli for all our top 5 candidates for tonight. Now for our girls, the hard work is now over because it's now up to the judges on who they think deserves to win the crown.
That is right, partner. The fate of our finalists is now finally in our judges' hands. Well, that was one intense round.
Oh, lahat ng Lamiteños, feeling ko may mga winners na sa isip nila. Meron na ba? Sino kaya yung mananalo ng crown ngayong gabi? What an incredible display of grace, intellect, and authenticity from our top 5 finalists, ladies and gentlemen, as each one of them has